Hey, what's up? What's good? I am back with another butterfly for my 100-day project. Guess what it is? Yay! So for my 100-day project, this is number 22, and I will be creating a butterfly with these lovely beads. And what shall I make of it? I'm not sure yet. Let's see what it comes out with, how big it comes out to be, and then I'll decide from there. All right, going into time lapse. This is my butterfly, how I decided to arrange the beads and the colors I decided to use. I almost went rainbow style, but I kind of want to give that a little bit of break. And I like these colors. I like this combination. So next, we're going to press it. We're going to go hot.